kaya ang hirap ng ito.
Nara Thai Cuisine Restaurant. Originating from Bangkok, Nara Thai Cuisine introduces authentic Thai dishes with a modern style, evoking a sense of culture as well as comfort. The Nara menu offers a wide variety of dishes to choose from salad and soup, rice and side dishes, meat, fish, and seafoods, and even desserts. Nara combines the highest quality of ingredients with traditional recipes. We ordered prawns in spicy lemongrass soup or broth, then stir-fried water spinach or kangkong in Filipino and also called Thai stir-fried morning glory, as well as fried grouper with spicy chili sauce. Some fun facts and history. Nara comes from the Sanskrit language meaning Thai woman. Hence, the logo depicts a traditional accessory worn by Thai women. Nara aims to celebrate Thai food and culture around the world, with branches in Singapore, Hong Kong, Vietnam, Myanmar, Mumbai, Sri Lanka, and now in Manila. Founded in 2003 by female entrepreneurs and franchised here in Manila by Filipina entrepreneur Sheila Romero of Roku Sushi and Ramen and Sushi Nori. Nara Thai Cuisine is located in SM Megamall Fashion Hall, Ortigas. The soft gray paint of the walls with some orchids for a touch of color served a subtle ambience to the restaurant. The chairs and even the placemats or table mats depict a weaved pattern or design, with an accent of color by their purple plates and cup. The bamboo pattern of their utensils can be tricky to hold. You got to have a strong grip, as it tends to get wobbly if not careful. Service is prompt and okay, but nothing extraordinary. As for the food, the red-orange soup base of Tom Yum Goong can be daunting, but the balance of sourness and savory taste, along with the mild kick of spiciness, is something worth trying. The water spinach added some garlicky and salty taste to our taste buds, while the fried grouper is crunchy but not greasy, and the sauce added some depth to this unassuming dish. All the dishes we ordered and tasted were delicious and an absolute win in this Thai restaurant. Servings were good for 2 to 3 people per dish, and price was so reasonable. Overall, the food was delicious. The experience at Nara Thai Restaurant was worth going to. Our ratings are 4.5 over 5. The pros are food, while the cons are their utensils. If you're craving for some good old authentic Thai cuisine, Nara Thai Restaurant definitely delivered. There's always some room for dessert and coffee for a nightcap to end this lovely day. Have a blessed day wherever you are, and thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next one, and do subscribe. Bye!